Always up to date, always connected. That's the future of mobility. With software-defined vehicles, the personalized driving experience of tomorrow starts today. Step into a world of development with nearly endless possibilities. How? With a software-driven and platform-centric approach. Vehicles will have a distinct software-based DNA, and our Vehicle OS lays the groundwork for exactly that. The Vehicle OS is a one-of-a-kind open and modular software platform. It can be used for a variety of applications on every type of ECU, from the vehicle to back-end applications. Our connected software platform maximizes reuse. It decouples software from hardware, resulting in a more efficient development process and cost reduction. In addition, our software factory enables automated and innovative app development. Thanks to our comprehensive know-how and decades of software experience, we master all facets of the software-defined vehicle. Furthermore, we share this knowledge with you through our supporting and advisory services. There are no limits to creating entirely new driving experiences. Vector. Join the smart way to design SDV.